Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with another video, and it is with the SV650. I recently joined all the SV650 groups on Facebook, and I was looking for an exhaust that's quieter, and I kind of got a 40-60 split as to, well, it's not that loud. So I wanted to create a video so that people could interact. Now, the interaction is this exhaust too loud? So let's take a look at what we're gonna test today. So here's the new ride, and here is the exhaust. It is literally a dump. Like, it just comes up here, and there you go. There's the exhaust. If you wanna take a look on the inside, that's what it looks like on the inside. It's just pretty much a straight pipe with kind of a double ring looking thing right here. So, you know, I mean, it does look cool, right? But I want to know what it sounds like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the bike. I'm gonna put a decibel meter in front of it, and then I'm gonna do 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 RPM, and you let me know if you think it's too loud. So let's go ahead and give it a test. So it looks like the ambient noise is somewhere around 50 when I shut my mouth. There you go. See, so when I talk, it's around. So let's just, so let's give an example. So when I talk, it's around 70, 80. If I talk really loud! Okay, see, so there you go. According to the phone. Now keep in mind, the mic is facing this way, but there is a concrete wall or a brick wall behind it, so we may get a little bit of reflections. But let's go ahead and give it a test to see what it sounds like. I'll do 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 RPM, and you let me know. So I didn't get to see it, but, well, I guess I'll see it in post-editing. Not a long video, but the intention was to see if I can get some feedback from you guys to see what the decibel rating was, since I'm recording it right now and I didn't actually get to see it. But I did get to see 109 was the loudest. Keep in mind that's also with the motor with no load, and that was ending at 5,000, so in my opinion it's even louder. And I wasn't even behind the bike, I was next to it, and then the mic wasn't even facing it, and I had a giant battery blocking it, so imagine it just a little bit louder on the decibel meter than what showed. But anyways, please comment below what you think the solution should be, and if you think I should just leave it like that. I don't know. Just ride it around for a while and see what it's like before I actually start making changes to something that I don't even know if I exactly like the way it is right now. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos on the SV650, and I will see everybody in the next one.